My diagnosis of cancer was no quiet footnote. It's a turning point for the monarchy and for me. While the public asks, how is he? I respond, I am here, still carrying the burden of the crown, still serving even as treatment presses. And make no mistake, this illness does not soften me. It sharpens me. I will not shrink back while the nation stares at weakness. I will transform it into strength. People say my public role must change. Very well. I will decide how it changes. I remain the head of state, the steward of tradition, and the architect of the future. Yes, I battle cancer, but I battle it on my terms, with purpose, with duty, with resolve. Let the world watch. The crown does not wobble at the slightest tremor. The crown adapts. The crown endures. This chapter won't define me. It will refine me.